How to use blend in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use blend. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now here, you can choose the image that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. Now here into this editing platform, simply tap on this picture again. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to see the option called adjust. Simply tap on adjust. So these are the settings available. Now here on the second option, you can see blend. Simply tap on blend. Now here you'll be able to get a slider too. Now you can adjust the slider however you like. So mainly blend is used while blending any two layers or two photos or even object. So you can use it for any two layers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.